then me a forward over you. Me a forward over see how you so go on with and come circle. You see? No man, me not can man. Me a forward. Blessed. Am I youth? Yeah, massive big up every time, no man. Look good, no man. Me there. Yeah, bless up to another video. You understand? Right about now with the inner blouse and skirt, New York, same speed. And we are going to Merrick Avenue. Yeah, or some people call it Merrick Boulevard or so. We are going to Merrick Boulevard. You understand? Me the right out on the outskirt. And me here see a whole heap of Jamaican the other side there. Me here see a whole heap of people, whole heap of business place, whole heap of beer things. They on Merrick Boulevard. You understand? We are going to walk the entire thing go so. You understand? So all of my Jamaicans them right now, make sure so no lock in. If you don't know what foreign look like, if you don't know what Merrick Boulevard look like, your boy Jamaica walk by, you go walk it. Me love foreign, me love walk over here. The place just cool. Whole heap of free AC everywhere. Look good now, man. Yeah. Big old plane over me. Look here. Watch that, man. Look there, man. Look there. Mad thing, man. A foreign me there. Look good now, man. Yeah, right over there's an airport there. Big bad bird in the sky. So right about now we are going to walk the entire Merrick Boulevard. We are going to see how many people we can talk to. Bunch of things are going. So we could do it just like this. Look good now, man. Are you ready? We start the walking. Start like now, man. Start subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. See it? Yeah. Make sure you drop to comment in. We are wait. Like a video. Let's do this. Yeah, so we are walking Merrick Boulevard and we are going right in the the meat of the matter, you understand? Because we're on the outskirt. So remember, it's not a narrating video, see? We just walk through, we just go see the natural living, the natural happenings and bunch of shit. No joke, no doubt. Bless my brother. Is it a skater? Sure. Yeah. Do it, man, see. That's right. You're good? Nah, and let me give your Instagram a shout out if you're good, and then rate out there and follow you.
I just started learning.
You just start learning?
Yes.
How will you say? Let me see it. Oh, but you still got it. What's your Instagram?
Who's E Manny?
Say that again.
Who's E Manny? Like put a tree.
Who's E?
Manny. The tree is E.
Oh, let me see. Go on your profile. Let me give you a shout out. So the man come on like a rock star. Look good now, man. Yeah. So skateboarder. Alright, that's your Instagram. So it's okay. Who's_3 Manny. Alright, big up yourself, my bro. One love, alright?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, keep learning, man. Keep on the grind.
Yes,
yeah. No joke. Social corner. Yeah.
If you know them, that's why you follow.
Jamaican, my friend. Oh, she busy. Where she gone? Anyway, I see me Jamaican, it's Jamaica walk by, you understand? Yes, sir. That's why I say the talking. Anyway, me the people them have to give them a yell, you know. Bless up every time. Yeah, America Avenue me I do today. America Avenue me there today. So me I call you along and me I try to talk to you, you know, and give me enough work, no forward. Oh, and that's the thing. Mikey, big up on yourself. Yeah, man. That is it. So I wanna fix up all I carry them. I wanna woman them mechanic. Figure that. Look good now, man.
Watch the show.
Yeah.
I just see it too.
How easy. Yeah, man. So watch me now. Let me give me a figure shout out that business, man. No joke thing. Look good. See that girl, the mechanic, you know. Good now, man. Jaja know. So, but it look like a balance and beer things are going on. So I see car up in her ear. Mikey, we said up on the work.
Yeah, man.
How you mean, man? The carrier safe up and say in our job.
Yeah.
In our job. Where's the safety first?
Yes, sir.
Figure that. Alright, Mikey, we there.
Walk by everything good with
Me there go and pass America Avenue where work pan and I see how much Jamaican we can talk to, more Jamaican business I go and see how over foreign I go and bust sweating and cold.
Oh, man. Man, they are two.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Where's they sing a bad?
Yeah, man, sing a bad man.
They sing a bad man.
Bad.
Yeah. So Mikey, what you do you know? Because I don't know about car like that you know. Tell me one little simple thing what you do you know.
Center line, man.
Oh, center line.
Yeah, man a Benz.
Ah, so it's a Benz you work on.
Yes, sir.
So you're the mechanic. That is it.
They will call him mechanic again now.
Oh, tell technician.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you're a technician.
Yes, sir.
Alright, big up every time. So massive seat right now with the other shop here. And even in another neighboring community, I don't want to carry them for work pan. So Mikey, what kind of car work? Work on Benz, Beamer, everything?
Yes, sir.
Figure that.
Benz, Beamer, European, American, Japanese. We don't work on truck though.
No work on truck.
No, you'll be a car with
Be a car. Yeah, me generally kind of silent over there, so you don't look like you talk much. Yeah, Big up yourself, see, Asian. Yeah, man, big up yourself, same speed, man. You party. You talk like Jamaican do. Yeah, big up somebody, my boss.
Jamaican Breeze, Jamaica, right?
Yeah.
Shout out for your Dalake, right? And our Pomo massive and Spanish so massive.
Figure that. That is it.
Hey, you got jail, you know.
No jail. You understand? So massive there. Look good. In a mechanic shop with it. Yeah, man, we are go through. Look good now, man. Yeah. So big up Mikey. Mikey, bless up yourself. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Bro.
Jamaica.
Ah, which parish? Which parish you out from?
From Kingston.
Kingston.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up every time, man. You are going good. Yeah, man. How you mean? See shop here, we are endorse and blast. Yeah, me teacher. Mommy. Yeah, you having a year plug in a year, saying a year, my man, I say thing. I love same way, I love same speed every time, man. See, they have a ring on your finger. Big up your husband now.
Hi, big up Andy.
Big up Andy anyway you're there.
I don't like camera.
Yeah. Well, Andy, I go see you. You're a nice, clean wife outside. I go and do something. You understand? So, see the auto parts place there. I endorse it. See the RSR. You understand? A Jamaica walk by here. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. So, see them number there. If you have a machine and you want if you work and you're there nearby, just call them and look good now, man. See number up there, so a RSR me there. You understand? No joke. If you have a Benz, it be my Toyota, all of them things. They just nobody forward the truck. You understand? Forward the van and the car, them and all them things. They gonna do it, man. RSR. Look good now, man. Anyway, I go in there and blast. You see the Benz man in their work, man. You think a dibby place? Look good now, man. Oh, you mean? Right for America Avenue with it. No joke thing. I just saw me in there and blast. See? See it then, man. So CG, you're not on a record too?
That recommend that is the 20.
Yeah, man. So once a vehicle left your road or anything, man, call him, man. See number there?
We do 718-831-6990.
See them, man.
347-219-7051.
Yeah, man, just show. Who them for ask, sir? Ruan. See them, man.
Okay.
Big up yourself, my bro.
Right.
Me love the greetings.
Right.
Me love that you watch the
Subscribe
channel.
all the while.
Figure that, man. Real love.
Big
You hear
thanks,
that? Yeah.
Me say
So,
first time my friend.
first time I foreign sweet boy.
Wow, you're not.
Oh, you mean foreign see what if a free AC out the door? Can't get enough of free AC.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Cause don't I had a bun up.
Nice.
Yes, yeah, nice.
them-
Jamaica sweet, man.
Oh, yeah.
Because guess what we know? We just pay nearly $17 for people for can serve fish food. You understand? It kind of tastes about 30% Jamaican. 30%. 70% down a yard. Yeah, so you understand? You can jump down, and that's like nearly 2,000 they pay for one food. And you go down a yard and you pay the same food for about $600.
Listen.
You understand? So
Ridiculous, man. Ask me. Oh, my son.
you can't pay for that.
Oh, my God.
Yes, man. Much of your son, big up yourself, my bro. Bless the Lord. Make sure you take up his school, you know. Don't play it, you know. All right? We Jamaican parents, them no ramp, you know.
So how long
All right. Eh?
How long in the place?
Me in a place about, how long now me gone? About 2.5 weeks now me there.
Okay.
And me soon shoot out, so me I try to get enough video and bunch of things, you know?
You know this money.
Yeah, man. Video me there, man. Look good now, man. Oh, yes. One voice. Jamaica walk by me in a them place, you understand? Yeah. RSR, auto repairs, and that's what me they turn up. Look good now, man. Foreign sweet, we outside. So, big up yourself. You hear me, teacher?
Yeah, man, take care.
What's your name again?
Claudine.
Claudine. Big up
Take
yourself,
care, big up
Claudine.
yourself.
More love, alright?
You want love.
Cool.
Jamaica.
Yeah. Me see her over there, so I look, man, like, make sure you say you're Jamaican. You look like one Jamaican, you know. Eh? You look like you're Jamaican, you know. Let me see another place. Nice and proper. Lord have mercy. You not let me in there. Hey. Hello. Blessed love and respect. Yeah, me general. Me see you go and mash up our food, you know. You understand? Hope me not disturb you because I'm out loud, you know.
No, I'm good.
Alright, see there. I want to try and dance and blast in much places as possible walking Merrick Avenue. So from you in here eat, look like you're doing some different type of thing. You understand? No joke. The place is nice, see, man. Look good now, man. Yeah. Nice. Easy done it. You know, so look rich too. So my general, it seems like if food turn up, you know, because it's a nice place you come eat, you know, that go to them Halloween and thing. Whoa. How you mean? Date night, private section. Whoa, look at it. Hey, my friend, come here, my friend. Beg you one little step around there, so please then. Beg you one look apart, make your people then see you, man. Give them a reason, a next reason. Look good now, massive. The girl run the nice, man. Mr. Beautiful ladies, not shy out with her eye. That lie me, G. When they see so good, them have a showcase, not true? Figure that, my bro. How you mean? Place nice. So what's the name of this place? I'm passing, I'm just looking and giving some free promotion. Same way. Say it again?
Social corner.
Social corner. Yeah, so we have to socialize. Yeah. Don't it? Yeah, man, so what are some of the things that I do here? Because from your past, I see persons that come inside me, I go forward.
Okay, so today we do Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday. Thursday, yeah.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
And like yesterday, it was like an off price on happy hour where we give our happy hour. We give off price on just appetizers and drinks all day.
So that's for Wednesday. You do that all Wednesdays?
Every Wednesday.
Every Wednesday.
Hours on the app, off price and appetizers
Yeah.
and drinks all day.
Nice.
And on Monday is our rum punch Monday. On Sunday.
Rum punch Monday. We say yard type of style.
Yes.
Yes.
Sundays are all day brunch.
All day brunch on Sunday.
Yes, and Thursdays is our Taco Thursday.
Taco Thursday. That's a today.
Yes, and Friday.
He got that.
It's free lunch.
Yes, it's free lunch. Yes.
What? So explain the free lunch. What's that? What's that about?
Whatever happens.
Anything happen, go and happen, just happen.
Yeah.
Figure that. I like that local place. So it is the social house.
Social corner.
Social corner.
Yeah.
Thank you for that. Beg you look at help. The more you clip on that something here for me. Right on my local pocket right there, so. Yes. Nice girl. Do it good, girl. Clip on the pocket. That is it. So what's your Instagram? Can I shout out your Instagram?
It's Little Miss Obsession.
Little Miss Obsession. Oh, wait, so when I see them, I feel obsessed. Yeah, what about you? Can I give you a shout out on your Instagram too?
It's Lottie Good.
Lottie good. Alright, so me general, you look like you're a businessman, you know, you want to shout out your business or anything like that, or maybe give your Instagram a promo to see them where. We have to show decent people them pan, you know, not because you're a man, you know. You understand? People don't want to see you, you know.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, man. You're on Instagram?
I have Instagram?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, what's your Instagram? Make shout out the Instagram, man.
Keith11436.
Keith 11436.
Yeah.
Big up every time, my brother. I love and respect. See that? Seal it.
Alright.
Seal it.
Seal it.
Big up every time, my bro. Social house, social club, social corner. Alright, I like that. Social corner. So massive me end that and blast it. Me like the little dark look to it where you know so you can comfortable come in, come eat. Me like the little fireside something. A real fire in there?
If you want it to be real, it can be real.
It look really, man.
It can be fake.
Alright, then it real and it fake. January star. So this is beautiful. I like the whole settings and thing. Yeah, massive. So you can definitely check them out. It's a social corner right on Merrick Boulevard here. I'm gonna go outside and I'm gonna show you exactly where it's there. I love how it look. It look well presentable for that date. You know, you come here with your girlfriend and your the whole something.
It's a vibe.
Yeah, and nice, beautiful people inside here. Big up yourself, my friend. Respect for us. Let me come in and showcase what I go on and thing. I love it. You understand? Big up the boss, big up the owner, big up everybody who there. You see me? One love. See? It's Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, Jamaica Walk By. Cool? Mad love, mad respect. It's nice, man. Massive, you know, saying when me endorse and blast, I just it. Sit there, look good. Look good. It's a nice energy. It's beautiful. You can't miss it. See there? The social corner. Nice restaurant and bar. You hear a bunch of little things while go on. See how them look the picture spot down there so you can go take the picture and thing. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Nice vibe. So massive moving on. Two spot over there. Look good now, man. You can't miss it. Wonderful. Yeah, massive. We outside. Social corner. I like how in the look. Nice date night place. Drapings and bunch of things. That's a good look. I in the clean. I like the two workers I see so far. Them nice. Good girl them. Yeah. Me give them Instagram so they can shout them out and them look a thing there. You see me? Mad things. So massive moving on. You know Jamaica walk by still. We just reason and talk and just make sure say the thing normal. You hear that? No joke. Yeah. Blessing. Barber shop. Let me see. Earline and thing. Alright, I'll go through. Cave restaurant. This, me like the outside here too. Let me see what I'm going in so. I hear music are playing, I don't want to go in there yet. Let's see. I like how that one I look to, you know, I can give them a promotion, but music I play, I probably see what I go on still. But yeah, I try chat to some of my people, them some Merrick Avenue. You see the sign over there, some Merrick Boulevard. Yeah. Nice and beautiful in the evening. And bunch of little things. See it here? So we're going to walk the entire thing. Yo, hold on there, before I move. Watch a play now. Watch a play now, massive. Watch a play now. Catch a play now. Firing in a man. Look good now, man. Center camera. Sweet. Who no fly yet? Oh, a nice vibe. Look good. Mad thing. Love it. Iron bird. Alright, let me go see how in a saw go on. Let's see what I got. Oh. Hey, good afternoon. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. Actually, I do an episode on Merrick Boulevard. And I want to showcase a little spot here. You understand? I realize the music that playing there a while ago and kind of easy with the music. I wish you know nobody start play it a little bit and tell me just go on a nice look advertisement. That good? So it's so nice today. One of them good there though, so you stay every day. Touch me now, man, steal it.
Of course.
Big up every time. You're Jamaican?
Of course I am.
Which part are you from?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Like everybody at Kingston. So what am they clearing down them? What am they clearing down them?
I have no idea.
I just me alone? Figure that. So, yeah, nice little spot. It also look rich though. Lord have mercy, man. I realize I see some little spot like this now, ready and fit for the date and all of them little things there.
Here and over there, same owner.
Oh, so social corner and over here is the same owner.
Same owners, yes.
That's why I see nice to go. That little something here. It a work, it a go on. You understand? Oh, this man. Big up every time, man. Blessings and respect, you understand? Yeah, man, come out fresh, man. Look good now, man. Jana, yo, watch your man, man. I years in a bro. See, me I find a whole out up there, you know. You understand? I want to have a little nice work at them, you know. Come out. Look good now, man. Yeah. See there? Massive top shelf liquor. Look good now, man. Look on presentable place. Sweet and nice. Hi, good day, good evening. Blessed love for the bar. Hi, Shauna.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Doing great. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. I'm just here trying to showcase this nice, beautiful, lovely spot here.
It is beautiful.
Yeah, it is. It is. And the smell is just sweet and nice. Look good now, man. So over here, so a rich corner, cause look then, man, look good. All of them something they look like them there from years ago and cure and I make sure say it rich, the money nice. So come over here, so. Lord of God, look good now, man. Oh, we have run us too?
But it's not set up.
Oh, it's not set up yet. And then if you not set up yet, and it looks so. It look like if you just step in and say, yo man, run us a my local private spot for go. You understand? Look good now, man.
It's still, it's not up, but
Massive and a dibby place.
Saturday evening would be the best time to come.
Yeah?
Friday after 4. Because we usually
Figure
set up for
that.
the weekend.
Me glad say I know I come still, you know why? Because I can get the talk to now and you know so overly crowded and thing when you can talk. See all I look at good things them there on the wall, you know, say I'm not joke place. A official thing them I deal with. See all of the sign they look good now, man. Look over there so. Rich liquor settings. You understand? So all a high roll, high spender, and have a good time. Cozy, nice and chilly. Just follow that little spot here. You understand? Look good now, man. Beautiful ladies inside. So if you don't want to talk, you come make sure you just buy them some juice and talk and just spend. Easily. You understand? No joke. The ambience just right. You can tell. Look good now, man. I want Jamaica walk by.
Decoration for Halloween, right?
Huh?
You saw the decoration for Halloween?
Yeah, Mr. My camera no miss nothing, man. I was just going to talk about it. So I say I'm not into the Halloween thing. So look around on the front part there. So massive if you want a little more light, you can touch a little glass thing. You know. Look good now, man. Look now, man. This is beautiful. I would decorate this. Me want to know if somebody will do this. Because they have enough time on their hand. Look there, man. Look there, man. Mad thing. Look now, man. This is beautiful. Yeah, so right here is just nice, relax. Forward with your girlfriend, your boyfriend, and just go on easy back and enjoy yourself. Look good. Nice place. Nice. The Cove. Yeah. No joke thing. Me love it. Yeah. As in, see, my friend, you know what my video here, you know? You make me, you want me sing. You understand? Look at all them something like. That I wish I know, just as I am. That I want to say. When me disturb people, then put them start scream.
You're not disturbing us.
You say you love me just as I am. You always dream me the best that you can. You say you want me, need me, love me, baby, just as I am. Just as I am.
Nice.
Jesus, and I first could know that me sing out from there, you know. You understand? Just when time people them ask me to do things, me do it. So now me you see it, and I just always put them on the spot. Then put them on the spot too, you know. You see you, you see you. You see me there know a long time. Hey, come true, man. The girl them no want to see you. You know, some my camera no video ugly people. You don't know that. But they have for me general them too. You don't want two nice, beautiful girls see you too and say, yo, look on him, look good now, man. Oh, you mean? You're general, see not even my eye. Do you mean? Big up yourself. Ugly people now go up on camera, like. Oh, you mean? Think with video ugly girl them and think with video man them took a what the girl them scream to. You mean? Oh, you mean? That's how I stay. I big up on yourself, man. I'm going to get back to the regular viewing. You hear me, teacher? So, the name of the place. And tell them on the address.
Cove 24310 Merrick Boulevard.
See it then, man.
Both
That
in
is
New
it.
York.
Figure that. I like on a nice, on a welcome, me decent, me love it. You understand me? See you. Yeah, they have one nice one at the table to our front. You know, so I saw girls them have to come out here where work. Nice clean place must have clean, beautiful people. No joke thing. Yes, man. So I'm gonna go out and walk, blessed love, respect every time. One Jamaica walk by, see?
Okay.
Mad love, respect every time.
Love
Yo, me teacher. Outside, see? Go angly bangle. Mad thing. A place and yo, me see some beautiful place. I mean, I have to go fall before me leave, you know. That's why massive. I'm going to take like 1 week off, not doing anything, and just videos and just come at them nice place. Look here, man. Look good now, man. I've got just fall at them nice place here. Yeah. And just video. See there? The Cove restaurant. Yeah, me have got just video it. Me love the ambience inside. It's just nice. Yeah, big up on my Jamaican them across the world. We are do great things. We are move on. Yeah, man, no joke, no doubt. Look good now, man. Yeah. Industry just warm and nice. Me like the local workers, them just cool and easy. Yeah, them just cool and easy. Big up me general a long time I no see you. Good while. Yeah, they are foreigner go on good, you mean? No joke, no doubt. Yeah. Some nice little place. Me see you just a smile at me so like, we are coming! We are coming, lad! Oh, you just look at me so nice and I say you just smile happy every day. Big up every time, man. I like it, alright? What's going on here? Like, I'm a YouTuber. I'm Fabian from Jamaica Walk By. So I'm gonna give you some free advertisement now. Since you're looking so beautiful and give me that nice smile, let me just look around here. So massive. This place is actually like one or two spots down from the Cove restaurant. And man, the amount of food me I smell right now. Like, so I'm seeing that. So those persons get the chance to take what they want and then what then do? We are the food? We yo. So can I like take a little walk around and be like, alright, so look, so massive, nice restaurant. So this is actually a place where you walk around and pick what you want and stuff like that, and then they weigh the food that you take and think. Like, this is so nice. I see some vegetables over here. I see some pastas and thing, you know, bunch of raw veg and stuff. Like, see some cheese and cream cheese going on here with dressing and stuff like that. Over here we have like the meat and things. So we have like, don't quote me on these chicken. I see like, wow, curry over here. I see the pumpkin rice, the callaloo, the bunch of things, the plantain and them thing, the macaroni and cheese. You know, you have some bunch of other snacks and things over here. Patty here. Whoa, chocolate cookie. And they can get tea and all these things. This is nice. Yeah, the people them are going with big things. Nice big menu over there too as well. Oh, there's more stuff right here. So I'm not sure. This looks like you probably can get a burger or something here. Don't come here. You can get a burger because these look like burger making things. Yeah. So seems you can see all fresh vegetable and thing to go on your burger and stuff like that. You know my favorite right here. That is it. Which is me always say relish, but it's actually what's the next name? Yeah, that thing there. The cucumber and the salt, the vinegar. Yeah, love it. Yeah, pickle them call it. So blessings are nice. I just like this lady right here. Once I was walking, she was just smiling, looking all happy. Maybe at the phone she did depend on her something, but me don't know. The warm was very nice and I loved it. All right, so what's the name of this place here?
Urban Gourmet.
Say it again.
Urban Gourmet.
Urban
Gourmet.
Urban Gourmet.
Yes.
So me not talk so good here.
Yeah.
So Urban Gourmet right here on Merrick Boulevard 2 as well. Very nice and clean. You guys will love it. Look like them clean every 5 seconds. Don't ask me how me know. Cause me see so over there so like somebody just walk, go so on it, wipe, go so on it, then wipe again. Look over the table section, clean and nice and beautiful. Come on down, you can check them out. You see what them have to offer, different style. It's an Indian restaurant. Jamaican?
Yes, my house is Jamaican.
Your boss a Jamaican? Yeah, Jano Star. So, hold on. Alright, so that is it. See, you have a nice, so you can order here. There's a number you can pre-order to as well. Jano Star. Look good now, man. Yeah. No doubt. Me normally try to catch these posters and things, you know. Can't miss them so persons can see some other choices and things that we might have here that's different. So, Jamaican.
Yes.
Big up the general. Every time I go, me there for me Jamaican them because it's Jamaica Walk By. So me actually try to scope out all of my Jamaicans them and big them up. You understand? Big up the chef, big up everybody we are work here. You see you? You're gonna be #1 seller right here, so if you draw people inside. They say look a spot where you there, where you just aim up the door. Once you pass and they see you look a sweet, beautiful smile. You have to go come in and come by. You see, if me then go walk so far now, me probably go have niggeritis. Because I have to go walk around and weigh 2 pounds of food.
Oh God.
Alright, big up yourself every time, alright? Much love, okay?
Okay, bye-bye.
Cool, it's Jamaica Walk By.
Jamaica Walk By.
Yeah, mad love. This is nice. Yeah, man, you're most welcome, alright? Super. Merrick Boulevard. Here's another menu too as well, massive. Yeah, look good. Yeah, man, no joke thing. Nice. I love when we see me Jamaican them do big things, you understand? Yeah, man, no doubt. Look at it. You see me? Merrick Boulevard. Oh, you mean? It's a vibe. So massive, you know me stay. I'm going to showcase the spot them. If you don't know about it, if you don't know about it, you go there, go heal them up. Tell them say Jamaica Walk By, make you dead. You understand? Merrick Boulevard is a festive boulevard. But I decide to go out of the skirt a little bit. I want to go down a little further, where most people probably not really dep on a regular, and make people know say a bunch of things are going down as the same way. You understand? Look good now, man. See how the trees them are change color already for the winter time and thing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. I love it. No joke, no doubt. It's a vibe. Why massive? Thank you God. So me have health and strength. Can't walk. Enough people they home right now and can't walk. So me I go walk and me I go help as much as me can help. Worst three persons them who want it, me I go give them. You understand? And to all I massive we are what Jamaica walk by, I support me I deal with. You understand? So if you're there in them area and you see something on Jamaica walk by where you don't want to try, or a restaurant or a place, go there. Make them know say Jamaica walk by make you there. And encourage them to take free advertisement and promote them business. You understand? Make them know say advertisement is great. Cause all I persons them here watch the video right now, we never know about the Indian spot there, which a Jamaican own it. Who never know about the Cove? Me never know about the Cove. Me never know about that one there either. Me never know about social corner either. So all I must is them I don't know about social corner Cove right now. I don't know about the Indian spot there. Like the lady was so nice. Me a pass and she just give me a nice smile and me just wave and say good evening. I had to go in there. You understand? Unless me no name what me name. Yeah, don't joke thing. So it's a vibe and we're moving on slowly but surely. God is good. We have health and strength. So we are going to walk. You understand? Yeah. Big up every time. Big up to all the G them who actually talk to me and all the sisters them and all of that. For making the video possible. We are go through. It's a good look walk massive, but we're moving on. See? Yeah. Let's do this. Firing me there. Merrick Boulevard. We are walk it. We are walk it massive. It's a beautiful afternoon. On a Thursday. Yeah. You know, walking now have no specific day for do it, but time is winding down to go back to Jamaica. So we have to go and get the days them in. Street side fruits, man. You hear me about fruits, man? Them both have one lady around this spot. See it there? I don't even see the G, I don't see the teacher. I'm not sure who I sell, but I see Kiara stop, I never see them I get served, so I not even know. Oh yeah, my bro, you lucky spot? Yeah, I hope you're Jamaican, you know. Are you a lucky spot? Huh? Are you a lucky spot? Alright then, no see a word. A Jamaica walk by, you see me? Blessed, respect, you pass through. If you're a Jamaican, you probably don't understand, you know. But that's how you think go. Man, respect. Them hard to understand. It sounds like them not speak English or I don't know. Or them Asian, but you can't understand them neither. So we are going to go through. Well, the sign say, feel wait. But it's up on red, so we can go through. So the girl just draw me out and I tell her say, Me not even there to warm up a voice. I don't know she not make me warm up a voice, but me end up just sing see and here, you know how you go. But remember, me draw out people, so if somebody draw me out, me I take it. I have to just work with the chop. Just as I am, I don't even know the words them to you like that, but you know you go, still do something. Nah, Lily, me feel Lily up my own video, you mad? Unless I don't walk by, can't Lily up my own video. People say sing and me not sing, you mad? And when I tell people if I come on camera and all sort of sitting and they not come, me a cuss. I have to sing. And when I don't know a song. Sing something. Alright, master, we over the bridge. Nice. Merrick Boulevard, we ready? Merrick Farm. Look like he locked. Dunkin' Donuts, man. Big player. Sands Bar and Grill. And a Sands like a party, this is a bar and grill. Eh. You know, I'm not sure if it's a Jamaican who own it. Yeah. Fine. Manners. Yeah. But over there's a lot, man. Yeah, man. One Jamaica walk by my teacher. Big up every time. You hear that? Cool now, man. Yeah. I see him looking about. You know, more time a man than a traffic, a man go there pre. But yeah, when he realized me and his friend, he said, one Jamaica walk by. You know the thing go. Bless up my general anyway you're there. Big up yourself. You hear that, my teacher? We just passed a while ago. Yeah.
Candy store. Oh yeah.
I don't know, sometimes when them make you sign them like this, I can't understand it, I can't read that. That look like Caribbean still, look like Caribbean Soul. But John was Star, Caribbean Soul Restaurant. If you want Jamaican run this, I know. You can see. Let me hear if no noise up there. The music up there. In here so look weird, laid back. Hello. Hello. Music up there. Alright, make a mute it a little bit. So yes, massive. I just came in this spot here on Merrick Boulevard, right? This spot is called the Caribbean Soul, right? As you can see the beauty of the place, I'm realizing that they're doing so much when it comes onto the decor of these businesses. It is just beautiful. You understand? They have the fireplace going on there, so nice, well clean, put together. So it's a Caribbean Soul. All right. So stepping in, the worker was so nice. I had to mute the mic because you know the copyright thing goes, right? I can't do the video with the copyright, so they actually turn the music down for me to showcase the place. So massive. It's Caribbean Soul on Merrick Boulevard. I can see where this is the picture spot. So see, Caribbean Soul. All right. Love this art here. This is the beautiful lady right here. Big up yourself every time. That was nice. To just actually ask if I could get to do this. That's wonderful. Big up to all of the workers here. So tell me a little bit of what's going on here. Come. Nice, beautiful lady center spot. Come here. Who can come here, my G? One on come man. Don't be shy, man. Come in. Tell me a little bit of what's going on here. Just a little bit. So massive, as you can see, look. It's a nice bar and grill, top shelf liquor, and all of that thing. You understand? So let me just walk around here a bit. Hi, good day, good evening, best of love. Jamaica walk by, see you enjoying the meal, I don't want to disturb you. You know, I'm just trying to give them some free advertisement, you know? Yeah. So from you guys are here, that means it's a nice spot, you know? Yeah, and I love that. Look at it. It's beautiful. Beautiful. Got to showcase this. I can't leave out my Jamaican people them. No doubt, no doubt. Look at this. You have the swing song over here to take the pictures. Very beautiful. Nice. Lovely. Yeah, I don't want the workers on a cramp me style now and don't want to talk to me now. You understand? What? And tell me what's upstairs?
What's upstairs? It's a lounge.
It's a lounge upstairs. So
With a rooftop area.
the rooftop here. So when I come back, somebody can tell me like all these bar and thing. I want my viewers to know that you can come here, get drinks, what you can get, all of that. So as a matter of fact, make me go see the rooftop. You see how you know what I talk? Me soon deal with it. That me like that area. You go on. But music I jump up there too. Let me mute the mic. So massive, I'm going to mute the mic just to show you a little bit of what's going on here. Give me a second. Me mute. Tell me now.
So normally they have a personal DJ upstairs every single night.
Every single night they have a personal DJ up there.
And one or two bartenders.
Yeah.
Yeah, making different mixes of people's favorite margaritas and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice, bro. I wasn't expecting what I saw up there a while ago. You understand? Yeah, the nice patio type of thing. Understand the darkness with the bar can definitely have that romantic touch, that little romantic feel. You know, I can see that down here. So it's the food too and stuff.
Yeah.
So, oh
More
man,
like a relax.
yeah,
Date spot.
date spot, yeah.
Upstairs is more like it can be a lounge, but sometimes it gets more romantic too.
Yeah, because you got that cozy feeling and stuff. Yeah, nice servers up there and thing like. Great. So here you can come in with your friend, you want to kick it, get to a blended mix and stuff, and just kick it right here and thing. That's beautiful, bro. Yo, man, Jamaica walk by. This is what I do. I like to showcase to the world what we have here. So this spot is called Caribbean Soul.
This is Caribbean Soul. They have
Yeah.
a place next door. They have a place right
Two.
next door. It's a private room, so people can throw birthday parties or
Oh yeah.
all types of stuff.
All right, that is it. Is there a number that persons can call, like, or such? Are they on Instagram
Pride is on Instagram too.
at Caribbean Souls?
Caribbean Soul and Pride. It's called Pride.
Okay, all right then, my bro.
Yeah.
Bless up every time.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
up the block. I got my juice bar up the
You have the
block.
juice bar up block. Yeah, what's the name of it?
It's called Irie Island.
Irie Island. I'm definitely gonna be passing that. I'm gonna be looking out for it. All right.
Oh, it's true. I'm always there.
All right then. See.
If anybody wants to make a reservation,
Oh, that's the number. The number. If you want to make a reservation for Caribbean Soul, the number is 347-566-0519. All right. That is it. Say again.
Caribbean Soul and Pride.
Oh, so Caribbean Soul and Prive. That is it. No joke thing. All right, blessed respect and thank you for just giving me this opportunity to showcase the place. All right, man, it's beautiful. It's nice. See, massive. This is what I like when persons take the free advertisement. So when persons come here, they can say, "I saw it on Jamaica walk by, and I didn't know that this was here." Now you know. You know, say me now cut. This is how me do the thing. See, nice little spot and thing on Merrick Boulevard. See, no joke. From a seat, I'm here you see the Caribbean Soul, me know say things are going on so. Nice and thing, lovely touch to it too. Yeah, mad thing, so massive moving on, we are go through. You know we not on top roll, we just go through and talk with the people then. Yeah, so now I see a little bit of how the place look like, when I see how the business them with on the stretch, when I say, wagwan, that is it. That is it. Yeah, we are go through. No joke, no doubt. But yes, massive, we're moving on. Good walk. So this is what Merrick Boulevard looks like. I keep saying Avenue, but forgive me. Bless up, my sister. I'm great. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So there are there are some more actually restaurants and stuff on this side and thing. But you don't know. We're not gonna go in at every single one of them for now. But we just have to go and go through and thing. Kind of work off of the spirit, you know. So yeah, massive. We're moving on. Merrick Boulevard. Just to let you know, these things work. You park here, you got to pay. Although I'm not seeing nothing of that, but you got to pay. And it works. Better believe it. Yeah. Definitely can tell us that this is a Jamaican spot going on here. Good evening. This is definitely a be one Jamaican spot. Almighty to the tomb. Look on the bird. A hummingbird them use. Jamaica Breeze. Yeah. Not gonna go in all of the restaurants them, but actually this look like one self-serve restaurant. Let me just look from the glass. Definitely this is a self-serve restaurant. As you can see, this is nice. Second one of its kind, me say like this, but this one have more authentic food like rice and peas and bunch of things go on here, so no joke, no doubt. Yeah, me see a Sanchez on the wall. No man, I have to go in there. I have to go in there. Let me see. No, it wasn't. It wasn't Sanchez, but we see a whole heap of great persons on the wall. No joke. Good day, my friend. A while ago, I see a smile, nice. I just see me smile dry up, you know. I don't want it dry up for me. It's Fabian from Jamaica walk by. You understand? It's a YouTube platform and thing. So, yeah. So you don't left me hanging a while ago? Like God know, and tell me say, I listen, you see you, man. So massive, you don't know me there in another restaurant and G's and peace, me definitely I go stop here, so. This is no normal thing. This is not the big place. Look good. Yeah, massive, I know I'm not going to stay long in here, so, but this is definitely a nice Caribbean restaurant so far. Big up to that nice clean worker, yeah. A clean smile she greet me with a while ago. You can see say, she a monitor what go on. So it's look like say you just come, you take what you want to eat, and it's either you go weigh or you go pay for it. I don't know how you go. But this shot, yeah, no joke thing. Look good. Yeah. Nice, massive. We have shrimp. I don't know what is not. Yo, me Jimmy don't know one of the so. I could go with what I food them. Me can't tell one of the so. You know, a Jamaica walk by, you understand? Jamaica walk by. Yeah, me always a roll. Me a walk the whole of Merrick Boulevard and just a showcase all of my Jamaican people, them restaurant, the food, them bunch of things. It's just great. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber from Jamaica. Jamaica walk by. Yeah. So lock it. You when me gone, you see exactly what me talk about when they can get a chance to see what go on. So walk by. Yeah. So massive right here, so look good now, man. Jamaica Breeze. Endas and blast. Big up to all of my Jamaican owned business them in high place here. You know me not stop showcase, you know. We are canting up on Merrick Boulevard. In a so nice, spacious, massive, just come with the money and just name food. That's all I can say. Everything me see. Oh my. Yeah. No joke. Jamaica Breeze. Big up every time. Yeah man, no joke thing. Yeah. Hey miss, are you in a rush? Can I ask you one question please? Alright, no rush. Okay. So I say holy part. See there? Is a big, yeah, me general. Before you even go in there, I can answer one question.
One question?
Yeah, Fabian from Jamaica Walk-by. That is who I am, you understand?
Okay.
Is this a regular spot for you?
Yes, it is.
Where's the food shop?
This is my regular spot.
That is it. I just that me want
I come here almost every day, brother.
See
Monday through Friday.
Are you saying food ready?
Ready, super ready, a pan ready.
Pan ready?
Yes, sir.
You Jamaican?
No, sir.
Are you not Jamaican or you beat up them Jamaican food?
I'm full of Jamaican flavor. I'm American, full of Jamaican flavor.
Yeah. I'm a YouTuber. Okay. It's called Jamaica Walk-by. I just gave them some promotion over there.
Okay.
And I saw it and I couldn't say much. Because trust me, everything just talk for itself right there. So.
Excuse me, Chris. Yeah.
Crazy amount of food, crazy amount of stuff. Yes. It's well lit so you can see exactly where you want. The smell and everything does. Yes. We see people just roll in and just go. Are we the wear the food?
And them clean with the thing too, man.
Yeah,
they
man.
all wear their gloves and whatnot. They make sure everything's clean. And they watch the people, make sure the people put on their gloves and whatnot, man. And the food keeps coming out. Nothing sits there too long.
Yeah, oh my.
Everything stays super fresh.
Cheese and peas, man. Big up. Sometimes when me talk, maybe them say, yeah man, I saw me stay, but me like when a person when don't know me, and you go in there and you can say it. Yes. So them know say I recommend it straight. So me make you go enjoy the food.
And the President General own the place, man.
Yeah? You want to big him up?
Michael Duncan. Yeah, of course, I big him up every time I see him, the President General.
What's his name?
Michael Duncan.
Michael Duncan.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Michael Duncan. Yes, you go on good.
He's
no joke.
He's the President Marcus Garvey.
touch it now, man.
Alright.
Blessed love. Hear that?
Blessings. Take
Respect every time. Someone sit there, you have it massive. From somebody who actually are going to go by. You understand? Sometimes I don't want to feel like I just me I say this and me I say that, you know. You understand? When you look on the place, you supposed to can tell. You hear the man where buying the almost every day. I tell you, say, in them go every day. In them go the place clean and fresh and beer things him not play. Him says I never me. Blessed love the man. Greet me now, man. Big up every time, alright? See, yeah. Nice and does it. That's how me stay. Look good. We outside in a foreign like a me yard. Oh you mean? Foreign sweet. Nice vibe, nice energy. Oh you mean? We are walk through Merrick Boulevard with it. Look good now, man. Oh you mean? So we are going here, teacher, big up every time. Yeah, man. Oh you mean? See. Yeah, let me see that spot here. Creative style.
Who are the man in the van?
Yeah, me teacher. Big.
The man that come from that.
I want Jamaica walk by now. Jamaica all of me yard.
You're watching the ad. You're watching the ad, you know.
Yeah, man, Jamaica me yard. I mean, I live down the whole of yard, me teacher. I want to go on in so. I want to go on, you know, say I want to go in that little spot here.
You're design business, man. Go in there.
A Jamaican them in there.
Yeah, man.
I don't want them go running up because sometimes
no, man, just walk in there and tell them.
Them a play music, because trust me, sometimes them just. Where's it? Over here, I'm so far over here, so.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yeah, me teacher, one Jamaica walk by, we outside in them town. Alright, then me a forward over you, me a forward over, see how you so go on with and come circle, you see? No, man, me not can, man, me a forward. Blessed. Am I youth? Big up yourself, my soldier. No, man, make it here, man. Big up yourself. Touch it, man. Big up every time, man. Blessed love. I'm Fabian from Jamaica walk by. You understand? Yeah, me in a them town. So once you see me, I'm always here for the free advertisement. You understand? That's what I do. So before me even continue, I mute the mic. Alright, massive, me unplug the mic now. No, me can't talk. Now me feel like, feel like sing. Yeah, massive. So we here with some nice, beautiful ladies and thing. See the big lady here, no way. Make sure she have everything under control. You understand? So yeah. So tell me a little bit about the place. What is the name of this place?
Okay, the salon is called Creative Styles by Tash. And it's located at 231-32 Merrick Boulevard. That's in Laurelton in Queens, New York. And we specialize in wigs, perm, short hair, natural hair, kids hair, men's hair, everything we're doing here. And when you come in here to Creative Styles, you're gonna leave out here looking fabulous. I don't care how you come, you're gonna leave out here looking different. Somebody have to stop you and say, where you coming from? So I'm Tash, I'm the owner, and this is my assistant Kiki right here. And that's Pat, my co-worker, and Tiana is right there. My other
nice.
And
Dolly.
you'll never be disappointed when you
Dolly,
come here.
massive, you see how she dolly down from me coming and me see her, me say, Lord Jesus, so look on her short ear, look that good no man, look good no man. Away party there tonight, cause trust me, I have to wonder if I see you look every day.
All the time.
Yes, massive. So you hear it. You see Pan Jamaica Wabe, no joke. The nice good dolly here, right? So I do want here nice and thing. So all kids, so you do kids here too as well and bunch of things.
Men, everybody.
Me love that.
Welcome. It's a one-stop shop. We have a nail technician in the back. That's Lala.
Yes.
We have a lash tech right there in the back. Also, she went home earlier, but we kind of have a full service salon right here.
Yeah, nice, massive. So can I take a look and just sketch what you? Brilliant, man. My friend here is looking all beautiful, so you don't have to worry, okay? Things are going. Big up. What's your name, my friend? Pat. You're Pat. All right, you're not afraid I camera too. What's your name, my friend? Tiana. Big up on yourself. I'm coming back to you, because about your camera shy. Nice lady. Big up yourself. She'll go on good round there. Maybe if you not see it, I'll tell you. You understand? No joke thing. Yeah, big up every time. My friend, me see you cover your face. Me not catch you. Big up yourself. Blessed love, you go on at the nail technician. You understand? So you're outside and I get it right. She a go dolly down when she come out. Me know that go. Big up yourself. Although you hide the face, big up yourself. Yeah, my friend? Mad love, mad respect every time. I want Jamaica walk by. And my son that? Me can't left with him.
No, you're crazy.
Yes, you would not tell us, me see your future. When you go be a grab them girl, mad. Balling. Yeah, balling. Yeah, so mad love, mad respect. Gonna take care of yourself every time. Oh, on Instagram. You on Instagram, my friend?
Yeah.
What's the name of the Instagram? Let me catch that.
Creative Styles by Tash or Stylist Tash Hair. One word.
That is it. One love.
You can picture the style.
Oh Lord, look good now, man. Yes, you talk. No picnic can't
We sell
talk.
hair, we sell wigs, we sell bundles, we style hair. You can pick it up, do less, whatever you want.
Figure that. Nice place. Sit there.
Nice.
So big up yourself, my friend. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to showcase your business. It's great. All right.
You're welcome.
Nice and comfortable. What you mean?
Right?
Yeah. What you mean? All I man them can fall can do the year to you know. Dolly them look good, you know.
Exactly.
So you can just go and spend the money and feel comfortable. Dolly now the year. Big up here.
All right, you take
See
care.
the creative styles. Bad thing. One love. It's a vibe massive. You know me stay already. Yeah. Outside. Look good now, man. I bad barber them this year. I bad barber them this. Yeah. Big up, me G. Big up. Jamaica walk by in them town. Oh, you mean me teacher? Ah, big up every time. Godfather, blessings. Big up yourself again, me teacher. Yeah. I mean, show me see my go on a vibe when him forward, man, and roll up, man. Let me know what him cost me. Yeah, about barber shop, look good now, man. Yeah, what me they see Ella, man? Greetings, man. It look like it's a spot for you, man. I in this? Yeah, man, you have to go teach me, you know. Oh, you mean? So we're there, what the barber shop name?
Movie star cut, man.
Movie star cut.
Movie star part, come show your face.
Come in, man. Keep people them see you look good now, man. Hey, look good now, man. At barber shop. At barber shop. Oh, DJ.
I have this shop for America. Watch it,
So,
man.
a man say, I test shop for America video. Look good now, man. Crazy barber in so. See all the G, you hear me G? See that? See all the example them, my friend. Oh, you mean? No joke.
Warren, go talk to the man away.
So, they on Instagram too? Yeah, man.
Watch it now. Rowan Manning.
That is it. Oh, you mean?
Right, by Instagram.
See
At
that?
Rowan Manning. Yeah.
Man, no respect.
Movie star cut forever, you know.
Movie star.
Run it, you know.
Yeah, outside that I go on. Wait, run about there.
Portmore, straight to Portmore where I come from, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Portmore, round a Pines. Portmore, Port Henderson Plaza. Okay. Yeah,
See
man.
that? A Jamaica walk by here, that's up. Me soon drop that video. You know, can see, I don't know what go on already, man. Figure that. Oh, you mean? Look good now, man. Yeah. Talk to me.
What if a friend Penny have the most money in America?
Penny. Remember to my fish, I make you look catch me there. Ah, I eat that.
Yeah.
Oh, you mean that, man? I want to see it. Yeah. Look good now, man. Movie star, ain't there? Yeah, so massive. You don't know a thing though. Look good now, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Right on Merrick Boulevard, just forward. All the rollers them. I just say one real cut there now. Look good now, man. For your day now. Yeah, man. Look good now, man. Look good now, man. For your day now, Queens, Merrick Boulevard. Just touch a place, man. You understand? Look there. You think all them here are easy for trim? You think that style and pattern make him look so talent? Look good now, man. Amen. Can't play. With they are massive. Massive, I tell her. Merrick hey, look good now, Merrick Boulevard. Look who shot me there. Look who shot me there. Look good now, man. See number there, can call him. Look, movie star cut, no joke. It's a vibe. We are roll through. Yeah, me teacher, me I got you here. We link up, big up every time. Oh, him that. Fire, we gone, man. You not want to tell us how we so forward. Ain't look good now, man. Possibility. Possibility. That is it. Look good now, man. Say yellow man aware. Look good now, man. Head to him too. Clean. Movie star settings.
You know if I watch a thing from one day.
Yeah.
Wrong.
Skip it. Skip.
No, talk, man.
No.
Say again.
Keep doing what you think.
No, alright, here we go.
Him tell us what you think. Wrong.
You know the thing.
Yeah, watch the program. Jesus Christ. Maybe Jamaica them are the best. Go on again, yeah.
Say I hear me. I'm not going to youth here go on car.
Big up, man.
Good vibe, and you know, nice vibe. And it's like, you have some Jamaican people where Jamaica, you don't see them.
Yeah.
Forward, we have to them on the
TV, real and natural. We not act. We
love it. We love
a realness.
What we are doing, you know?
Blessings every time, respect and manners. Hear me, teacher? Movie star cut. Eh? No, man. Nobody from Jamaica walk by no wanted. I want him. Tell him, no, man.
No, yeah, man. Jamaica love the governor and all these things.
I saw this. You say, big up yourself, my teacher. Yeah, go on.
Yeah, me know. Big up our national, we are promote music and defend the world. You don't know the system go. We need all of them people there because music is a safe thing to bring a happy tree for everybody to grow. You see me? Big up all the man them in life to build music and say them a promote music.
Same speed.
So hear me now. How them dog they do still, but we all want to know and nobody can know. So we don't even know what the subject is. But you know, whether you're with the vibes and we not fear, and we are pushing a build a happy career in a New York, you know here, national guard, you know here, I protect the world, you know here. Yo, when me there with Jamaica walk by and we not play no time. Ninja man and big up the man. Ayo, you not know the thing how the thing go. You see now enough music.
Easy.
Follow the promoter manager. You see.
Yeah. 231.
30. Yeah. Merrick Boulevard with there, you know. You don't know, you come here, so. Eyeball there, so. Warren there, so.
Yeah.
Bobby there, so.
Yeah.
Flacco there, so. Blacks there, so. Paul there, so. Be a good barber from out of Jamaica. Not even say good barber, the greatest barber them. We pass through Jamaica. We set it a yard and bring it up foreign. Come do it thing. So movie star
thing.
All great Jamaican barber there.
Seal it.
So when you come and foreign enough, you fret boy your earline and
Merrick Avenue.
Right there, so you
movie star cut.
Fix up.
So then man, look good now, man. Look good now, man. See that? One more time, Vincent. Yeah.
The movie star cut for nothing at all, you know. Be a star on top of star.
See that, man. That's so.
All right.
Man, thing, you me teacher, big up our manners every time. Hear that? One love, no joke. Hear that? Yeah, take it easy. We are going on the road. See?
You don't know, say the America Avenue, I don't know, so a Twin Top.
Yeah.
You don't see it, alright, that's a El Urban place, and then place a MTV, and then something there.
Yes, sir. Alright, big up yourself,
man. The real rough, and we are do a real thing for you trying like the real Jamaica Wi-Fi. This is New York.
Big up, man.
Sexy girls, them.
Every time.
Yeah.
Alright, sir. Alright. Alright, my J. Mad thing. Blessings from blessings. You hear that? Mad thing. Yeah, green light. Go through, my friend. Yeah. Big up all the people in my yard. Him still a send him big up. Cool, my boss. Outside. Yeah, massive. After we Jamaican next year, we always a vibe. Always a vibe. Yeah. Woo! Yes, to blows our skirt. We still a go through. Yo, me love what me do. You understand? Me love see joy upon the people them face when we are go through and all of that. Blessed good night. See it there? Yeah. We are go through massive. Yeah man, me that dumb if me not do it. I me not dumb. So me have to show no what I go on. Me that dumb if me not do it. Look good now man. Me say enough people want to walk and can't walk. See there walk, we walk out in the street. Give her thanks. You don't know. All them massive them in their house and can't walk like how me a walk, you know. Me a do it for you. Me a do it for you. Me a show you the love out the street same way. Yard and abroad. Me a do it for you. All of we a walk together. You have a lady who pray for me one day and say, yo, when me walk out here, and me and she a walk and God. You understand? Because she sit down in her house and walk with me. And mind while me a walk, she a pray. And I say, boy, God, watch over me step them. Mama, me step them cover. No joke, thank you very much. Big up every time, you know me. You always say me nothing bother call your name or not up on the channel, but you know yourself. We are walk together in Jesus' name. Spreading the love same way everywhere we go. No joke thing. Yeah, man. Blessings and blessings everywhere we go. That we are preach. We have to make people know say joy still there in our world. Peace still there in our world. And everywhere war and mix up and bunch of things. Whoa, that place are rich. Whoa. I probably have to hold me head straight. My brain not ready for you so yet. Look good now, man. Lord of mercy, this place are rich. Woo! Me just see this money. Yes, I. Yeah, nice ear salon there, so again. We are go through. Can see, oh, good old Golden Cross. Big up Golden Cross every time. Yeah, yard spot. Can't go wrong off a Golden Cross. Merrick Boulevard. Yeah man, we are moved through. Nice local vibe, massive. Let's do this. Let's do it, Jen. What you mean? Figured that. Yeah. Yeah. See our next barber shop across the road. Named Global Cut Barber Shop. Yeah. Sometimes you have to try look for see. You don't know how environments take, because sometimes you have to follow your mind, you know. Yeah. I'm not gonna see you over there still. Hold on. Careful, because then drive on the right. Every time I look down that way there before I go across, you know. Yeah. Mad thing, mad thing. Merrick Boulevard. I'm gonna check out that barber shop here. Cause before my father, crazy amount of people that talk about say yo, the barber shop them, circle barber shop them and bunch of things. So can't afford them, you know. Give a heel. You don't know. Yeah. Manners, 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 blessed, blessed. Jamaica walk by, you see it? You too, both times, there's a general that say I have to come in the barber shop and go back cut. Global cut. Yeah, so no know what Jamaica walk by, come on, know why reason, you know. Because you say I top barber them in so me down a barber shop down there, so. You understand? I know when I go in, I have to show the people them which part them have to go get them business done, you know. You understand? Yeah, my teacher. Yard vibe, yard style, you understand? You are going to rest all my foot. You see me? Someone say right now, I then sit down in a global cut, you understand? You know, so we are walk out the whole of Merrick Boulevard, the man them are going to trim, are going to do them things here, we are going to do the thing. Big up yourself, fire, we are going to respond to me, see, and we are manners and love, you hear that? So massive anywhere I go, I left a footstep nice and decent. I want Jamaica walk by. You understand? So then say global cut. I dey cross the road a while ago, I actually see it on the other side. So I decide to come over here. So man them they are going to work and I do them thing. Then see a real class barber shop them. Cause now cost me I say me not go in a barber shop them. Me are in a barber shop them now. Big up yourself, mama, you talk to me. You afraid? Oh, you say no, me love. You afraid of me not look good? Boy, no cute. You not answer me, man. She not answer me.
Big up in general or something.
See there, oh general, yeah, me that respond to me, I go and hear him there in my earpiece. You understand? Big up yourself. Oh, you don't know a thing, go. Global cut, I'm here endorse and blast. Big up yourself, my teacher. You dep on your thing. Alright, my friend. You say you don't want to give me no argument, no talk, but I saw you go. You go on. Yeah, my teacher. So I say, we still are in that and blast, global cut. So big up to the person who said I could have passed through you, so global cut. You can't say me never forward, me forward. And me showcase what I go on, you see me, see it there? Me there, look good now man, and me this. Right in a foreign, global cut, look good. See them, I forward. When I see Barber them in there, you want to big them up at your time, see it there? Yeah, so when I see them back, you can say, yeah man, me did tell him to forward in a sign. One love, one respect. So see it a global cut barber shop. Who don't know if you want to give them a shout, see number you right. So look good now man. Look good now man. The lady around there, so when I want to talk to me, look like a she do here and sit there, me still give her a shout out, although she look like she not too like me. You understand? See her number they can shout her, make your appointment. Oh, see her, she there on Instagram, you see what she do. See there? Here forever, what's this? Here forever, flawless. That's our Instagram page. Figure that. One love, respect, we outside. Come over on. Yo, my teacher, big up here. Man. No joke. Global cut. We are got you. Good night, my church sister. Blessed love. Merrick Boulevard. Yeah man. Start to some of them in the look at evil, you know, the traction them the people then start come out after work and them type of things, you understand? Yeah, massive, we are going to go through Merrick Boulevard, inner Queens. It's a vibe. Oh, I mean, no joke, no doubt. So I realize there is a lot of ear salon and barber shops. So on this era. So the Miss Cassie said them do well on beauty. Beauty supply and food be. Yeah. See enough on the side. You don't really see no clothes store and them type of thing to all that. So it's barber shop. You see the barber shop them, the ear salon them, and them thing there. You know? No joke. See? Karate class in us. Yes, sensei. Yeah, man. Hear about karate? That we know it as, but it's karate. So see that most of what me say, ear products and bunch of things. Yeah. It's a massive ear product store too. Yeah. Merrick Boulevard, where I got you. This is definitely one Caribbean store. King Brothers Farm. Yeah, fresh vegetable and thing. Yeah. Nah, man, I lie. Got you. Easy. Yeah, man, a massive, trust me, we not reach now yet on Merrick Boulevard, you know. It's a long stretch, but I always have to go to some different vibe and going through, you understand? See? Lot of beauty places and beauty salon and barber shops and food places, you know? Loads of Caribbean spots. I want to tell you one of the greatest things is that I'm not sure if I see any Chinese owner or none of them type of business there. All let me see right now is Jamaicans. Jamaican own businesses and them thing there. Them side there. Inner Queens. No joke. Yeah. Key food. I'm not sure what is this, but it seems like it's a restaurant, but it is beautiful. Yeah, it's a bakery. It's a bakery. I'm just looking from the outside, massive, and it is beautiful. Nice. So it's a sweet brunch, or sweet brunch sign over there. Baked from the heart, mad. I think I'm gonna go in. I think them sell me. Let me see if I could talk to somebody in here. Very nice. Hello. Hello. Bless up, bless up. Hello. Young son. Hi.
Hello.
Oh, you're Jamaican, don't it? Yeah, man. Big up. That thank God me come in here. Yes, man. Big up every time. First, me boom it up. I know you're baking. It's Jamaica Wab. I'm giving you some free advertisement on my big YouTube.
Not me, my daughter.
Yeah, man. But it's fine. You don't even have to be in it. I'm just gonna show them the store.
No, but this store not in stock to show.
That, trust me, I'm sold. That's fine.
So, this store, you can come back tomorrow.
When
the daughter is here and you stop the store.
I'm telling you. Listen, trust me. That's fine.
Listen to me.
Yeah.
Why would you not show them an empty store?
Alright, it is not empty. What may I show them is the beauty and what you have here.
No. Listen. Tomorrow you come back. Come back tomorrow. This is nothing. Come back tomorrow. If you
you see that what you're saying? Yeah. This is nothing. Trust me. You might have seen. Yeah.
My daughter is here tomorrow. You come tomorrow, and when you come tomorrow, you're going to get. We don't want to present ourselves like this because we had a sale today, and everybody buy yourself.
You see that? Listen, that is what these are the things that I try to. You're making it seem like it's a bad thing to see the place empty. That's good. These little things that you have here, and you say you have a sale today, and the shelf empty. That is beautiful.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, so massive. Alright, she's explaining to me that the place is empty right now, right? And I fully understand her, but I was looking from the outside, looking in before me even come in. I say, the place sell me. The beauty of it alone sold everything inside here. So you see, when you tell me say you have a sale in here, me wouldn't even least think from my mind. So when we realize that there's a few stuff inside here, and you tell me say you have a sale today and everything gone, and them thing them you talk about. And that we want. We don't want come in and so can see whole like cake them pile up and not sell. If you know say them a sell, that means say yes are the spot. And here's the place where people them a buy them bakery. And that me want to show. So when you say place empty, that is great. That is good. See all the gentlemen come in here, load up one bag, see there around 4 or 5 different cake in there. If me come in here, see empty, me I say, yes sir, great man. Place I empty out. You be around the same way. You tell me say, if you come back when it full up, me don't want to see it when it full up, I want to see it when it run down. You know, say, yeah, massive. I in here, so they must sell. Look good now, man. Outside me them massive, and me I say right at the glass, and me say me have to forward in to showcase the place here. The place smell fresh and nice from the outside. And me I say you know what, me I forward in. Mummy I tell me say, boy I me come back when the place stack out and thing. See a run today, so the place sell out. And that me want hear and people still a come on in. Yeah, me teacher, blessed. So that is great. So see the Sweet Branch, Bake Farm, they say bake from the art. This is the place, Key Farm. Massive. Me understand the mummy I say, but me can't just take it for that. Me have to showcase what I go and see away. See the people still are rolling because she says she have a sale. That is great, lovely, wonderful. That means say them have the right thing. Them have the key ingredient because them are sell. So with this advertisement, more people are going forward in right from Merrick Boulevard. Look good. Me can show from the outside. Mommy, big up your daughter. Tell her say Jamaica walk by. I'm going to leave a card. She can link me. Yeah? I'm going to leave a card so she can link me. And you will see exactly what this mean to her. You understand? So blessed love and respect. Here my teacher. Big up every time, bro. Thank you for shopping. See? Yeah. No, from it's a YouTube channel. Yeah. So Matty, this is beautiful. Look good now, man. You can see it's no joke big. Look on the style. Look there.
I know, but
smell great and beautiful. You understand? So big up the owner for this place here. Anywhere you are, you sell me by just looking through the window and the presentation. That's it. Alright, big up yourself. I'm outside. Me that dumb if me never come inside here. Look good now, man. See there? Sweet Treats Delight. You understand? Right on here, so. See there? Key Food, fresh. It's a bakery. No joke. Sweet Treats Delight. Look good. No joke. Big up to me Jamaican, then we are run big business in a foreign. Look good. How me fi not go in there, so? Look good now, man. How me not fi go in there, so? Look how the place nice and neat and pretty. Eh? She say, if we come back when the place stack out massive, she said she have a sale. So from sale run, you can't run sale and the place pack up same way. No, sir. So yes, massive, I made a set you down there so before the music start playing the copyright. If you run a sale, and when you run a sale, the place pack up same way. That means nothing go on. She run a sale and the place pretty much empty, brother. That means your big things are going there. So you run a sale and the place empty out. That means quality is there. You understand? Them have something right. So sweet treat, you go on good, you have a formula. We love the presentation of the place. Mad love, mad respect. It a go on. So me left my card so you can link me up and thing and say Ray or anything you want to say to me. You don't know. Big up every time you go on good. Mad love, mad respect. Figure that. No joke, no doubt. You hear that? How you mean? Boy, I tell you, say the pastry them in a sweet treat smells so good. And I love cake, and especially cheesecake. Yeah. So I tell you, loads of bar and hair salon and bunch of things. I can tell say Jamaicans them just outside. That is it. Not a restaurant and things. And it comes down to food and barber shop and bunch of things. It there. What a barber shop name? Sky Limit. Mad respect. Yeah. So the next restaurant here, Jamaican and American. No joke. Merrick Avenue. Yeah. Look good now, man. Yeah. When I reach up and I take on the next side. See what I go on. We are going at the meat at the matter here now down there, so. What you mean? Yeah. And bus across. Yeah. Alright, massive. So you know we're still up on Merrick Boulevard. You understand? Some different kind of vibe and bunch of little things. You understand? Yeah. Yeah, man, load of them type of vibe. Yeah. Bless up. See? Respect. Enough barbershop and thing. Spot this. Yeah. Boom bang. You see what I go on. Yeah, bunch of little things. You understand? Some nice you can furnish a place. Laundry mat over there something. Yeah, Merrick Boulevard. Nice and cool. Today is actually nice and cool. You understand? No joke thing. Good little vibe and thing. Yeah. So this look like one little club spot. See one club down there named Blue. No joke. Yeah. Look good now, man. A next nice club down there say look like. Yeah. Just a walk through and go and get your vibe. Merrick Boulevard, yeah. We are going to walk to my place and my people them say. You understand? Yeah. No joke, no doubt. Maybe I'm going to that club there, but I don't want to pass that one. Yeah. So, let me see if I can go in that one. There's some G there. Bless up my teacher, bless up. Respect, you don't know. From the G, say me have a show out in a barber shop for show walk one. Hi, good night. Yeah, Jamaica walk by. You understand? So from in a them town, me can't left out the Jamaican them spot nowhere me go, you understand? Me that wicked if me not do that is it. Oh you mean me teacher? So from Jamaica walk by a pass so me have to big up them G them spot, no joke, no doubt. Me that dumb if me not do it. Look good now man. See it there. Yeah bro. Yeah. See it there now man. Go outside. Look good now man. Yeah, me Jamaica walk by. Yeah. We're there, you understand? Merrick Boulevard with them realize it's a beauty spot. Yeah. Come see all of the beautiful female them just a roll out so. You understand what you mean? You're outside here. Oh, you're waiting on your son? Oh yeah. So a female barber this. Yeah, we some trim decent, right? Figure that. I love when the customer say that. You afraid of the camera? Can I, you afraid of the camera? Alright. Yeah. So that is it. Oh you mean? So if you want the real haircut, you have to touch you with barber shop, you understand? And enough barber can trim your style like this here, you know. Look good now man. You understand? Yeah, when man say one froggy energy, no joke thing, brother. Here, big up our St. Mary massive, no doubt. You understand? See me, I'm just going to relax like him in my bedroom. I'm easy. See it then, man.
Big up King and David, man.
That is it. Outside, no joke. Oh, me say I have some beautiful ladies around here. Alright, you cover your face. Listen, beautiful ladies don't shine, you understand? And beautiful ladies always beautiful, no matter what time of day it is, you understand? Yeah. My friend, I see you doing your work. Big up every time. Can I get your Instagram? I'll let the persons know where to get some appointments done for you if they want to get them here done. What do you say?
Hereby_Stephanie 2000.
Hereby_Stephanie 2000. Figure that. Oh, you mean? Yeah, man, massive at the vibe spot. If you're there and you wait for all the family as a general, come play 2 drafts, man. Play 2 loading, man. Look good, man. Oh, you mean? My friend, don't worry yourself. I'm not videoing you right now, but I'm telling you, beautiful ladies don't shy. We're beautiful every day. Yeah, I wanna just wake up and not joke thing. You understand? See? Which papa? Not bother with that. You see how you're nice, so come out. Oh, you mean? Yeah, you're Jamaican. Figure, which part of Jamaica you fall from? Alman Town.
180.
Ah, see them out there in a foreign outside. I'm a first time in a foreign sweet, you know. You understand? I enjoy the free AC and all these things outside. You understand? So my friend go and get your hair done. Remember, if your confidence was 80 today, I'm gonna put it right at about 105, 103 around there. Cool? Blessed love and respect. You hear that? So I got your Instagram. It's Jamaica Walk by. See them I see you now, you know. Yes, but me not understand where the eye. Look at your face nice and clean and well put together. Look in that glass. You not looking at glass much. You have to do it, man. You have to do it, man. Big up every time, man. I love. You hear that? Scene, blessed. Outside, I want Jamaica Walk by. You know what I mean?
Yeah, man,
you know see a man comfortable, man. You mean I easy enough for it.
Yeah, man, I want Jamaica Walk by.
Jamaica Walk by. Where they are going to beat me, bro. You understand?
One barber shop.
Yeah.
Star cut. Top of the top, barber shop, star cut.
Figure that.
Jamaica Walk by.
That is it, my teacher. Set me your finest.
You see me I say?
Figure that, man. How you mean?
Out there.
Would that dumb if me not do it? How you mean? See that we say finish up and I go easier now. Yeah, man, the money have to make no joke.
Energy, 220 seconds.
Froggy energy.
Merrick Boulevard, Queens, New York. Star Cutters. I eat at the shop, boy.
That is it. Big up, my bro. Respect and manners. We are going through massive. See that the shop. One heap of space. How you mean? No joke. You know, so from Jamaica Walk by night place, me I go pass through, me I go stop. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's a blessing. Yeah, me teacher. Oh, you mean? Catch your buttocks, man. Yeah. Whoa, yeah, what a vibe. Remember go on. See, they look good now, man.
What that be?
Jamaica Walk by. Yeah. How for thing this? Over sign, over the song? Oh, she, I fear thing. Alright, see there? No joke. Look good now, man. And that's and blast all them and dice distant female them and them doing them business. Yeah. Blessed, you don't know. Star Cutters. Mad thing. Merrick Boulevard, look good now, man. Out the door over there in them town like a yard. Foreign. Oh, you mean? No joke, no doubt. Oh, you mean? Massive, I don't understand. I'm not going to other people in store, no. I'm going to everybody's store, not Jamaican alone, but God know. Sometimes when I see other business them and the people them out then look inside there, I don't want to go in there. You just know say them out tell you no. Or them out tell you one bunch of baga. So I just can't bother with that. So when I look and I see Jamaican them inside, even if they look a little bit down, once we talk to them, they understand me and they know what time is it. But the other people, them trust me, they make it too hard to give them own promotion and own advertisement. So I just try to allow them blessings. Yeah, so I just take time and do my thing, you understand? So it don't cost me if I don't go in all of them Indians or the Chinese and those kind of places. Because trust me, sometimes them don't look so pleasant. And I can't bother if you have pressure them and beg them to promote them. Say, hi, hello, can I ask you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please? I'm a YouTuber. Come on, man, begging 1 minute of your time. Nah, kill.
Just say it. Just
yeah, Jamaica walk by. Can I give you guys a shout out on the Instagram?
No, please. We're trying to make it for happy hour.
Alright, cool. So it's Jamaica walk by, alright? Cool. Respect. I don't know what did they say. They said they're trying to make it for happy hour. So they're probably going in the club and you gotta drink. You can probably drink as much as you want for maybe a low limit or something like that probably. So I guess that's yeah, a most happy hour for two. Then who gonna carry them out? Trouble. But yeah, massive, we outside. We are going to walk. Look good now, man. I wonder how them read that side now. Because they said, to me, I don't understand them. So they say, this is 222nd Street. I swear me get that right. 222nd Street. Me know so them how pronounce that. We know Jamaica that say 222 Street. 222nd Street. Me realize I saw them call them thing there up here. Yeah. 59th Street, 258 or 258th Street. Don't say street, say tree. Yeah. Merrick Boulevard. Wagwan. Yeah. Still I got you. In the night is a vibe. All in here, so now it even makes sense me even pre if you go in here, you know what I mean? Even though I might wrong, I might right, but most of the time I right. Yeah. Them not make it so easy. Blessed. Yeah. Yeah, massive. So you know me soon gone back a yard, gone drop the yard video them, the Jamaica video them, and all of them things there, but they are foreign. Me have to do some work to man. Find me Jamaican, them are foreign. Oh, you mean? Yeah. Oh yeah. Now I sit in the car watch this massive. You never see one yet, and I always see it on TV. One car in there. I always see it on TV. So one car there in there. Look good now, man. This can really wash car good. You have to wonder. I just outside the car wash. Because see. I don't know myself, but people say actually wash car good. But question to all I massive now, I saw my drive the car or you have to take time drive through it. I don't understand. I wonder if you have to take time drive through it or I saw my pull the car through it. Oh, well, I guess I must be one pull if real or something. I take time bring the car through because I don't know it works. I really want to know if this car I go wash good. This a car that really wash good. This a wash supposed to be the cheapest wash in our history. Me want to see if it really wash it good. But it better than no wash at all. Soap I go on it and that one they know on the top I go and spin this so. Water chew up on it and base it. That not done wash off. Oh, more did it. Can see. So all the dry off part gonna hey, good concept you could see. So oh, it's a manual wash off, a manual dry off. Oh, cause see some man there so you know what dry off. Yeah. Oh, they have a blower too. One blower there. Oh. Make us see run so. Oh yeah, have a blower. So you have a blower and some man we are manually. Some man we are manually wash your. Yeah. And that's it. Oh, so the man now roll out now with the tire shine. Yeah, no joke. So pretty much when the car forward too now, man just roll out with the tire shine and outside and then just go boom bang and clean out and vacuum. Mad thing. Yeah. You actually clean. To tell you God truth, you actually clean. Yeah, you probably not got one of them. And they quick and fast. Yeah, some man roll out now with the vacuum and start vacuum out here and it done wash already. That was interesting. I don't see none of them in my yard. Them probably did them, I can't wrong still, but I don't see none yet. Cha no. Interesting stuff. Wild green. Yeah, manners.
Yes sir.
See. Yeah, my friend say yes, you're Jamaican and I big up me Jamaican them. You hear that? Yeah. Respect every time. Amen. Different energy. Yeah, my teacher. Yeah. Hard vibe. Bless up greetings. Yeah, massive. I love that love. I love that love. Blessed, good night. Keep it up, okay? Keep it up, alright? Keep it up. I mean, I'm Jamaican, so keep it going. The love? Yeah. That's it. It's your wife? Your wife? Yeah, that's it. Blessed love. She's your wife?
It's my woman.
Yeah. Ah, blessed love, alright? Cool, man. Yeah, I wish I would have this. Yeah. Alright, cool. Yeah. Oh my God. That was lovely. You can see Caribbean colors in a man, so you don't know a thing go. You see, thing is, massive, me love one time you go all place like them, yeah, and the boss they both where you can actually talk to and get the actual free promotion and the advertisement. You understand? No joke. So the place I name Chef is this one, Latanya or Latanya Kitchen. You understand? Yeah, man, Jamaica walk by. Figure that, my bro. How are the boss in us? Them there? Ah, we say pinky all the way, eh? Figure that. You mean? That is it, man. How all at the ends, you know? You know what all at the ends, yeah? Because sometimes when them business, I like when I get good advertisement and I'm not going down there Lily or DB up a thing, you know. You understand me I say? That's the thing. See, they look good now, man. Yeah. Let me see what I'm going in there. Good night, lovely ladies. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber. It's Jamaica Walk By. Yeah, me actually in the community right now. Big up me general, mad love, mad respect. You understand? Yeah, the general them say I must forward in her. So, me that if I'm but because me I wonder sometimes when the boss them that they bought, you know, get the real good advertisement when them forget. You understand? Because sometimes the workers them they really want to go up on the camera, them don't want to talk about nothing. So, I want to make sure say them get a nice, lovely promo. You understand? I couldn't pronounce the name up on the front to understand the real name of the place. You understand? My friend, what's the business name again? Say it again. Okay, Lothian. No, that's how I pronounce. So it's Chef Lothian Kitchen. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So this is what it looks like, massive. Yeah. See some Christmas cake and thing all over here. So look like them have them thing they are going. You understand? I say naked punch. That look like trouble, you know. You understand? Yeah, no joke. Look good. From morning we are walk down Merrick Boulevard and I go and give them some nice advertisement. You understand? Big up to all my Jamaicans, them right across the road. No doubt, no joke. Yeah, look good now, man. So I see all some of the Jamaican juice them and thing are going in the kitchen. That's lovely. Yes. Yeah, my teacher, what are you forward from? Waterhouse, big up all Waterhouse, massive anywhere you go. You look like a year look a spot this you buy off it. Talk true, man. Half a year look a spot if you come by, man. Can see that 3 bag you alone are left with. And a normal thing that. How you mean? Yeah. No joke. Outside massive, so yeah. Look good now, man. Yeah, look good. Yeah. Blessed love my teacher, respect, is it? Yeah. So it's Chef Latanya Kitchen. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. You know, me see the people them are rolling. You understand? Crowd is spot in the night, that means it was a hot spot this too. It's a good walk from the rest of kitchen them and things, so definitely things are going right as well. Big up yourself every time you hear me teacher, mad love and respect. Yeah, see another barber shop here. And me tell you, say, when we realize with Merrick Boulevard now, at the fashion place. You understand? The youth them here well groomed and thing, and the whole like girl them makeup and thing well done. And hairstyle and beer things, and the whole heap of salon. And them thing them see are going with that spot here. So it look like it's a party central spot. It look like it's a club spot. It look like at the place where them come out, come go on and say, yo, we are going to braff and we are going to look good at the same time. You understand? No joke. But like a uniform thing in there, so everybody in them blue and bunch of things. You understand? When we talk about what go on out as a first, look good. For you out to do a look in there, you know say things not normal in there, and I see all here. Watch look good, look good. You understand? I see all compressor with the hair. And a normal thing. You understand? So right now they say walk in, welcome. Let me see what that spot your name. Look good now, man. So yes, a father and son barber shop. See? We are going to check it out and we are see what go on in there. Say, no, say, be a trouble, I go create in there now. Because I like a uniform thing what go on. I blue them, say. Yeah. Yeah, no joke, no doubt. Figure that. Bless up my teacher, big up. Blessed love, Martic. But just like what go on from outside. I have a video in from outside. I say, that look a blue concept here. And that look a thing you walk go on, a beer things. It look real. You understand? A Jamaica walk by in them town. You understand? I know so from me I walk Merrick Boulevard, I go stop at the yard in them spot and showcase what go on. You understand? Yeah. See all generally I look like say yo. You make one of them yard here. Do the thing proper. We say have a date night tonight, man.
What did you say?
You have a date tonight.
Date?
A date? You're going out with a date?
No.
Yes, you just walk. To work?
To work, yeah.
So that's how you go to work? You have a well groom and thing go to work?
No.
I just feel like say you need to make the barber do the thing the right way.
Yeah.
Sound like you're trying to find one of them ladies on the work, man.
What, you're a YouTuber?
I'm a YouTuber, yeah, from Jamaica.
You're welcome. I'm from Palestine.
From Palestine?
Say free Palestine.
Big up every time, man. Yeah, mad love, mad respect to all one and kind. You understand? You see, Barber go and laugh. You like a regular customer. Figure that, man. How you mean? A real G. Me see it. Just a reads with him. Yo, my teacher. What the man name? Yeah, the man just greet me and say, "Wow, go an artist." Sound like you watch Jamaica walk by. Wait, no man, a long time, because when me have a Civic, me now have Jamaica walk by, you know. Oh, yeah, them time me have do straight singing and dub plate. See them, how you mean? Chop it up and rip it out and take it out and kick it like a ball. How you mean? Yeah. Let me tell you something, man. If no youth never go through a breakout, them never find a real girlfriend from them band. Remember me, any youth in here will never get a breakout and tear up heart, you never get a real girl from your band. Like me, tell me beautiful girl over here, so. Tell me. You say you never love no man. You go on, lies. Then you know them man make you ball. You understand? That's why when you turn up, hey, you say when you see them so beautiful, and that's why they turn up themselves, so you know, for pop style. You hear me teach about, you're one of them real one, big up yourself. Eh? Oh, yeah, easily. You have millions of women in the world, brother. You understand? You just have to brush off yourself and do it again. You understand? Allow me to tell me, teacher. No joke thing, big up every time, my bro. My boy when you look serious, like him not really dip on the camera thing, but big up see you every day. You understand? I just saw. Alright, blessings and respect always. Yeah. Yeah, man. But you see me now, me always have a showcase me Jamaican and make sure say me show them say Jamaican are going with big things in a foreign. You understand? Even yard. You understand? But me love how inner so look differently. Me like the uniform thing, the blue something we are rock. It look good. It presentable from outside. It make me feel like say me just stop your and trim. You understand? I'm rate that. You understand? The place look like it put together nice and decent. And do that sit down and wait. You know why? Look on them children, man. Look good, no, man. You know, see, a lazy boy, man, them having a stuff here, sit down and wait. Me never see this from my barn. Look here. Look in a barber shop. I hear time for trim and you that never bother trim. Can you tell us, say, yo, you go on next, me I go and relax. Look now, man. A rich people place this. Yes, my friend, you come out. You understand? No joke thing. A comfortable barber shop. Enough barber shop me going and me big up all I barber them everywhere me go. But boy, that one a lazy boy night. Yo, what is that easy, you know, dog? Eh? What is that easy at all? Yeah, me a vlogging, so if you catch me on the camera, don't cuss me. Don't watch me, watch yourself like RETV. You understand? Big up yourself, see you, you understand? No joke thing. So, all of my teacher, yo, me G, why you link me back up here? Because I have to go reason. Because for you say SIDs and broke out and things, I far off. Them time they have Jamaica walk by yet, you know. Finally give me a visa. I know long me I try to get it and can't get it. Then finally bust me, so me there, you know, visa real. Yeah. So my teacher, blessings and love always in is a vibe anytime before the Jamaican them there.
What's the price for that?
Yeah. Look what I'm good now, man. So my friend, let me give you Instagram a shout out. What we are saying? So in here, so she do her business though? Alright then. But she good then, man. So yeah, my friend, I like your people spirit. So alright in here, so you do your business too. So you do the ear them and all of them things there, right? Yes, sir. Alright then, you know what I mean? So you don't make no Instagram. If you make an Instagram, so when the person they see you now, they can see all like little style them what you do and them little thing there, and then can set them appointment. Cause a whole heap of people are watching, you know. And more you make it, and you just jump on it and them little thing there, so you can see what I go on here. So I say, you know why I in that too? I like how you stay. My spirit take you. You understand? Yeah, my spirit take you. That seems like one of them real ones, but that come to come to me here and stay hold back a vibe and feel comfortable. That is good. You understand? Blessed and respect, alright? Go and do it. See? Alright, no joke, no doubt. So let me teach you them manners and respect here. Jamaica walk by to all who don't know. Oh, Lord of mercy. Someone say before they ain't have no money ATM there, man. All yard card. What you mean? See that? Run out of money, you have your ATM right or so. Click in your card. You can't, there's no reason we say you can't trim. Alright, me G? That is it. Yeah, my friend. Alright, big up every time. Outside, see? That, them thing I like when the man them say, see them man say, give them back a view at the front. Teacher, you alone, me not get for reason. You just so, I want to sort out the thing.
Yeah,
so,
but like come and start, yeah, what are the bigs?
Business hours, yeah, Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Yeah. Look good. See the father and son barber shop. How you mean? You there on Instagram too? Are your Instagram page at?
Then TV page. Then the Aki page.
Let me Aki page?
Yeah, I'm going with it.
Right, so wait, just a start back one fresh?
No, I don't start back none yet. But being as me there, I say me don't start back one.
Figure that, my bro. How you mean, man?
In the future, man.
Yeah. That is it.
We have some clean work out to show it.
What you mean? See that right beside Chef Latanya kitchen, you have father and son barber shop. Yeah, me just like that look from outside. That little blue look there and that little thing there where them have uniform in there. Me like that. Blessed love and respect. You know, a whole heap of barber shop me endorse. And everybody have them different flavor, them different style. You know, so them go lazy boy if you sit down in your time for trimmer, you know, want to get up. Yeah, my teacher. You're the first man recognize who I go and blessed love and respect. How shot are you forward from? Which parish? Any parish? Or Akiwak? What you mean? Big up all Akiwak massive, man. What you mean, man? Outside I go and take some of my free AC. Me love it. Me love it, because you can't find your yard. Yeah, man, you have to pay for this, man. Light bill high like a Jerusalem. Yeah. Don't yard if you have this man in your house, man, and I go and have it constantly about some. Remember, you and JPS fight mountain. That they tell you better chew up 2 lines. How you mean? It's a vibe on Merrick Avenue, Merrick Boulevard. You understand? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So go and support and blessed love. You hear that, my teacher? Seal it. It real. Respect and manners, man. See him, so.
Spin it to the right.
Ready? Wait, go back again. Have a fight. Alright, teacher. Pinky, me know say you them attack, you know. Jesus, if you go back already this road. You understand? So Pinky, big up Pinky anywhere you're there in our world, blessed. The man them a request you. You have to go walk back Reddy's Road, brother. Yeah, man, no joke thing, no doubt. The outside. Big up every time. We are go and go through. A massive Merrick Boulevard is just a vibe. You understand? As I say, crazy barber shop, you know, beauty salon and all of them things, there's always just a good energy. And we are walk through. You know, 60 at night, you know, and we still go through. You understand? Yeah. My teacher, big up every time. You don't know, so if I'm a touch a foreign, they say, once you see a Benz pull up or a BMW, it's a yard man driving. Tell me, say you're Jamaican. So what go on, make me hear if you're Jamaican. See, me not tell them how the blows. Massive. Me say, me touch up on the man, they say, if you see a Benz and a Beamer pull up, it's a yard man. No matter how heavy vehicle be. Big up yourself, you hear me, teacher? Respect, no joke. The man say, yo, once you see, because man say, yo, Jamaicans make American drive American vehicle. Never see this yet. Make a run across a light, I never heard. Yeah, so massive so far from me see Benz pull up, me I say, let me test it. It's a yard man. So big up to me yard man them way. I go and do the thing the right way. And up here drive a bad machine them. And I show so we can left from Jamaica and come back and drive it. Yeah. No joke thing. Yeah, massive. So right now, one flavor they don't get say, you know. A whole heap of work that me doing, you know, John no star. Me not go cross this. Me don't tell myself from there, say, me I go stop right there, so. But me I go the next direction. So right there, so now we have a halal eat. I whenever the same halal eats like where they over Jamaica Avenue. Sean, big up yourself anywhere you're there, you understand? Probably you like the one there, but me see one over here, so look like it ain't even open yet, but big up from now to halal eats, you understand? Yeah. So, I don't know which turn off this, but I know say, when me da pass, one flavor they down there so. And flavor restaurant is a vibe. So, I probably cut the video down of flavors and done it, but make a look. I know enough of them must still there walk with me and thing. Glory to God. Big up all of my church sister, my church brother, them we tune in. Big one up every time. One love. Everybody will walk with me, because massive some people tell me say a crazy prayer them a pray when time me a walk, you know. You understand? Let me see it. Oh, see it down there so. Jamaican flavor. Yeah man. So big up all my church sister, my church brother, them will walk with me. I make sure so we're safe in the ground. All of who in them house right now and can't walk the street, I'm walking for you guys. I'm walking for you, my church sister. I walk for you, my church brother. Big up every time. We are going to spread the love and we are going to showcase the thing that enough people now do. Make we do it now, man. We just roll the camera. Yeah. Foreign sweet. And I just want to say big up to everybody who has been good to me too, you understand? Everybody who follow them, meet and greet them and bless me up. Everybody who sponsor me equipment, tools, all those things to make Jamaica walk by be what it is today. I just want to say much love, much blessings, much respect every time, no joke. You understand? Big up to what the carry pass, because you know so I don't want to shake you up the big up here. Big up to 10th floor, you understand? Yeah, me general that, no joke. You hear a man up on the 10th floor, you think a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floor, or 10th floor. You understand? 5 and 5, 10. So you know, so no joke thing. See it massive. Look good now, man. Massive, from I pull up at this restaurant and you look inside there, a line in there. Glory to God. Big up all of my church sister, my church brother, them will love of Jamaican food. Look on the hours. A line in there massive. Jamaican flavor. Jamaica walk by is here. Can't even go in there yet. Can I go in there and I'll be excitement. You understand? I don't know me stay already. Look good now, man. So massive. See there from the outside, the flavors. You can see say. And a normal place and a joke thing, a line in there. Line in there.
I want this, brother.
Yeah, Jamaica Walk by YouTube channel, you understand? Oh. Yes, I. Blessed respect. So, at this hour, and flavors still around food.
Our YouTube channel?
Yeah, and still have line.
That be a Jamaica?
Eh?
That be a Jamaica?
Say again?
You played in Jamaica?
Yeah, man, maybe yes in Jamaica. So we have Jamaica Walk By. We showcase the natural liberty of Jamaicans right around the world.
Oh.
You understand? So we're there in a foreign, you know. So we are showcase with Jamaican, them a foreign, and everybody. You understand? Yeah, me actually stop at the flavors one over there.
Come up there, you know.
Yeah, man. So
that's
we actually here.
You know, brother.
Yeah, man.
You know what
that is it. So being over here.
Big up yourself,
yeah, man. Blessed love and respect, my
keep
general.
up the good work, brother.
Yeah, man. So you work here, or you are the general?
No, sir. Food me and buy, you know.
Food you buy too.
Yeah,
Oh, you mean? So you are Jamaican too?
No, sir. I'm Asian, brother.
So you talk like Jamaican. So you have only for Jamaican friend, man.
Yeah, man.
See, you answer me. Yeah, man. You know Jamaican talk that, man, because you have only for Jamaican friend.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
There too, you know,
and you live in Jamaica too?
Yeah, man.
See then, man. Blessing, see it again, no, man. It's real.
Me touch down the next three weeks.
Yeah, jump back down there again.
Yeah, man.
Jamaica nice.
Every 2 months, man. You have to get trip down.
Yeah, but make sure you can't limited clothes. You can't marine and shots and them things. Because down there burn up.
Right now?
Down there hot.
Oh, yeah, man. I know that.
Right.
All year round, brother.
Yeah, and I like the free AC out the door, you know? And a joke thing, man.
All year round, brother.
Right now, I just a brace to go back down there because I tell about the heat.
No, the heat is the best
heat.
thing, we need that, brother.
So what you say?
Yeah?
You love flavor restaurant, food good?
Yeah, man.
That is it.
Good food, man.
Oh, you mean, man? Look good now, man. Massive from the glass. Then make sure you say glass, then clear. So you can see in there.
Clean, brother.
Oh, you mean? Flavor restaurant. Yeah, massive. So.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. Big best than love. You hear that?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. See there. So massive. Before I go in there, my Lord talking. I go just look a little bit and then come out contact. Yeah, so you know, me just go in there, go show on a little bit. So there's a line in there. I see a bun and cheese and thing on the counter table. I see pastry. I say, you can pass me G, man. Yeah, man, a regular thing we I did, man. Fully manners in. Yeah, man. So you can see it. So this a G look like him just roll out of house and say food, you know. Me see it, you know. You go on in there, yeah. You see a link half them more than big like him is a baller. You play football? You a baller? Occasionally. You have foot like them there if you go kick soccer every day, man. Oh, you mean, man, you don't see it. You say, man, big. You can see it's a young youth, you know, when big. Yeah, man, if you go up on football field, you go make some boy know say for your manners. You understand? No joke thing. Yeah. Go through it, man, you can go on, man. See there? Big boy. You can say a young youth, you know, when big. You go up on the football field, man, you say, watch him, you know, afraid of
basketball.
Basketball. Yeah.
The basketball.
Yeah, man, no joke thing. So massive, so. Big up to the owner of Flavors, you know, me stopped by the other one the other day. So big up every time, more love. I love the vibe, the food was excellent. It was great, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who stayed tuned and watch the video. Yeah, we are closing right off of Flavors right here. So you have some other spots over here. I don't want to just pass them because they're neighbors. I don't want them feeling away. So we have a liquor and wine over here. Yeah?
Spring Garden down there too, no?
Yeah, Spring Garden.
Yeah, man.
That is it. So right here we have, what is? This is Juicy King Crab Express. You don't know, big up yourself over there.
Liquor store.
And, yeah, the liquor store, liquor and wine over here. You understand what we have here? We have Ronnie. We have Ronnie Convenience Store right here. You understand? Big up yourself. We can't leave you out. So we don't want to leave out none of them store right on a little stretcher. Mad love, mad respect. So they are here. So all that massive now watching the sewer go on. For you see King Crab, you know it's a normal thing, a big thing go on there. So for the money, you just look like a restaurant style. You understand? No joke thing. See? Yeah. Blessed love, blessed respect. And you know the chop go. Yeah, massive. So you don't know, it has been a great walk. It's been an excellent walk. Big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch this. You don't know, 10th floor. Big up yourself, my general. Anyway, you're the manners and love and respect all the time. Big up to your entire family. Big up to all our kids them. You understand? Blessed love, blessed respect. You don't know, me have to big up my next general, that Big Daddy E. Big up yourself. Anyway, you're there. You understand? Barber walking exercise. You don't know, Jason, Gina. You understand? Jewel in the kitchen. Big up yourself every time. You don't know, someone big up Sam. You don't know, say Sam. That is some guy. guy from Toronto, you don't know, big up yourself also. Yo, Ricky website, you know where you're there, you're large, you understand? Don't know. Big up to everybody else, you don't know where they're in the premiere, you don't know, say thing go, all like persons, them where is actually a moderator in the channel with a little something there with the spanner side of your name. Blessed respect, that means that you're always there, you're always sure. You understand? No joke. See? So, that has been Merrick Boulevard in Queens, and it has been nothing but love. See me? So we stop it right at Flavors right, so we'll probably just get a food right here. But we're actually gonna go back down that side and get some other, make some little stop at places where we probably did say me I go stop and we'll see what I go on. You see me? So mad love, mad respect, thank you so much. You don't know we are going towards 100,000 subscribers, which is great. I mean I hope that we get the 100,000 before we leave from over here. You don't know, so respect. I don't want to forget anybody, so if I forget I don't call a name. I just want to say you're no less appreciated, you're no less important to Jamaica walk by. Orient Freestyle, big up yourself. You don't know, so that's Orient Freestyle Adventure, big up yourself. You don't know, so I want to big up Rushy's Kitchen as well. You don't know who else. As the video tour, big up yourself. Anyway, you're there. Right off of my head, Annette, much love to you, big up every time. Yeah, I also want to big up this travel agency as well. I don't want to, let me make sure that, I think it's Keta Woods Travel. I want to say thank you so much. You have been so good to the channel. That's Keta Woods Travel Agency. You can check them out for your tours, as in your cruise ship tour, your plane ticket tour, your vacation tour, your vacation tour. All of them, I just want to say big up in all aspect, respect every time. You understand? I want to big up so much person, but you know if me start big up, me now go done. So mad love to you all in the premiere. Super appreciate, you know, in every way, in every aspect. Big up every barbershop on my stop on the stretch. Big up every kitchen. You don't know, big up every restaurant on my stop. Big up to all the person them who never want the free advertisement. That's on you, not me. You understand? Big up to this special spot too. I want to say big up to Sweet Treats Blessings. You don't know, the place was really nice. I want to big up the barbershop. You don't know, Star Cut. We stop at so much barbershop, and I remember all of them. Father and son barbershop. I must say there has been a lot. So mad love, mad respect. We're outside. Look good now, man. We're there. So blessed love, blessed respect. I'm outside like how we're there on them side. See? We're there. Yeah, no joke. So all Queen massive. I don't know where I'm gonna be next, but let's see. We're walking. See? One love. And remember, if you watched thus far and you have not yet subscribed, please, I'm asking you to subscribe. Subscription is totally free. It's just to let you know that I post a video so you can be in the first to watch the video, so we can stay right as and laugh and chat. Please don't forget to like the video if you're not yet liked it. Hit the thumbs up button. See? Comment. When the premiere done, you jump into the comment section and you just go and comment. You can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times, up to 20 times. We will still answer your comments. See? Mad love again. Big up to Rich Cam for donate the bag here. You don't know Rich Cam. You think large. Me never left the bag here from you give me it. Everything all in there. Right now me can fold up Jamaica and put it in there. And walk with it on my neck. You understand? Big up every time to Rich Cam. No joke, no doubt. You understand? Me never left it. Big up to all I massive them with sponsor clothes and shoes, same way. You don't know say me have all Timberland, look good now, man. You don't know say me have all Clarks, look good now, man. You understand? All of the sweater and all them things the way person them donate. Yo, no donate so much thing to a Jamaica walk by. I just want to say, yo, me all lost already. I just want to say love and respect and blessings all the time. You know, so I say me talk enough, but you don't know when grateful is a must, you just gotta pour it out. You understand? So, blessed, respect, I'm outside, and good night. See? Yeah. Gone away, I don't know.